Hey John, this is Randy with Hanley Digital Consulting. We spoke the other day about a quick video on how to help bring more customers to your business with a better online presence. And in this video, there's going to be some really cool tips, and I just wanted you to keep in mind, even if you're not interested in my services, I'd really like to get your feedback. So I was looking at your website and I noticed a few things that we can work on to help bring more traffic to your website and obviously more revenue to your business. And there's three ways that we can do this. It's with content, backlinks, and citations. So content is what I'm referring to as words and images. So it's more information for your customers. We're around 1,500 words on our homepage, and it gives us places to put higher search keywords that takes away all the guesswork for Google. And Google also likes images, so the more images we have, the better. And when we're saving those images, we want to make sure that we are saving those pictures with the right keywords. And I'll show you some of those keywords here in just a second. Um, but within those keywords, we want to make sure that they are interlinked and bolded and highlighted on our homepage. So if we have a keyword, we want to make sure that it's foundation repair Shreveport. So we want the location that we're going to be servicing in behind it. We want it bolded and highlighted, and then we want it to be interlinked between some of our service pages, whether it's drywall in Shreveport, roofing in Shreveport, painting services in Shreveport, and so forth. We want to make sure that those are all interlinked from our homepage so that we can just go from one to the other. And that's going to help us get found a lot easier when people are searching for those keywords on Google. And I also want to make sure that all of these are able to be user friendly and mobile friendly so that somebody can call this number from your website. Make sure all these are linkable to our social media and emails. We want to make sure that we also have a fill out form right here on the right somewhere on your homepage so that people can just fill out a submit form and they can email it to you and then get a hold of you that way also. So let's pull up this tool that I use. Let's go to the overview. Okay, so this is so right here it's showing me that you have no data for your UR and a DR of 0, 156 backlinks, 5 referring domains, and 11 keywords. So let's pull up some of these keywords and see what kind of keywords you have. So mudjacking in Shreveport, Louisiana has a volume of 100 with a KD of 0. So that would be a keyword that we want in your content bolded and highlighted between the service that it would go to. Also, Shreveport foundation repair, it's got 90, basement repair 100, foundation repair 60. So just right here, you're looking at around 350 searches right here that we need to make sure that this is in your content. So concrete leveling, here's another concrete repair 40. So all these right here need to be bolded and highlighted and in your content, and we need to save our pictures like that. So again, I can go over here and I can click on this right here and see what you got to say this. So home brick crack. So we want to save this as, one of those keywords that we just pulled up. Even if it has nothing to do with the picture itself, we want to make sure that that keyword is saved behind your picture. So what I can also do is I can pull up some of your competitors. So this is Shreveport foundation repair, and then I can see what kind of keywords they got. Basement waterproofing, basement repair 100, Shreveport foundation repair. See, so all these keywords, we would want to make sure that if there's keywords, we want to make sure that they're on our website. So here's another one. This is best foundation repair. Is that the same one? That's a different one. Okay. And to be honest with you, you can see their UR and DR is really bad. So we want this to be a 1-to-1 ratio. So beating a lot of your competition will be really easy because a lot of their things aren't done right either. So here's some more keywords that we could go after. We want to make sure concrete level Shreveport, basement waterproofing. If that's the service that you provide, we want to make sure that we have all these keywords. And it looks like all of y'all have the same keywords, but here's Shreveport foundation repair. Let's see what their overview was. So you can see right here they have a UR of 39 and a DR of 13. So we want this to be a 1-to-1 ratio. So I think a lot of these guys would be easy to beat right here. So we can see that we want to make sure that you guys are found. There you are, right there. We want you on the top 3 of Google, of a Google search. There you are, right there at the top for foundation repair. Let's see, super. Yeah, so we want to make sure that you guys are right here in the top 3 for a search like this, or let's see what you look at in Bossier. Yep, there you are in the top 3 of the Bossier one, but not in the Shreveport one. So we want to make sure that you guys are found in the top 3 for all these different keyword searches. So the second way we can do this is with referring domains and backlinks. So again, I can pull up this tool and I can come check out some of your backlinks. And the backlinks will help you get found on all these different keyword searches. And you can see right here that all these backlinks that you guys have, which you don't have that many, are bringing you no traffic. So let's go check out these guys. They've got 895. And their backlinks aren't bringing them much traffic either. So it's all about quality over quantity when it comes to backlinks. So you want to make sure that you are getting those backlinks that are transferring that authority from their site to your site. So what we would have to do is go out and get you some better backlinks, which is considering that some of your top competitors don't even have that great of backlinks, it'd be easy to beat these guys. Let's check out this other competitor. And it would be the same thing here. See, these guys, they've got a few that are bringing them some traffic, but for the most part, they're not bringing any traffic to them. So we would just have to go out and get you some better backlinks than what your competitors have, and it doesn't look like it'd be very hard. And the third way that I can help you guys is with citations. So citations are basically anywhere your business name or number appear in registries like Yelp and Yellow Pages. So the more we can get, the greater chance you have of getting into the top 3 of a Google Map Pack or the GBP. And I can show you guys, this is your GBP right here, your Google business profile, and we want to make sure that this is being optimized the proper way. And it looks like you guys have 16 reviews and you've got a 4-star rating. So what we want to do is try to send out the link that's associated with your GBP to all your customers and try to get a review. And we want it to look organic, so we want around 3 to 5 a week if possible, and try to get those 5-star reviews from all your customers, and that's going to help you guys get ranked. And we want to optimize those pictures and get them geotagged and use all the tags that we can, so that when people are searching for those keywords, those pictures will show up on the Google search, and that's going to pop your GBP to the top. We need to make weekly posts to it also. It's like a social media profile for Google, so that if we're making posts to it, whether it's bi-weekly or once or twice a month, this is going to help your GBP get ranked to the top, because Google is going to see that you're utilizing it, and it's going to put you up at the top, so that when people are searching for all these, you're going to show up into the top, because this is what you want to be found for. About 70% of all your clicks come from this right here. Half the people don't even go to your website. And we also want to make sure that you can be called from right here, and it doesn't look like you're able to be called from right here, so we got to make sure that that's done properly. So with that being said, guys, if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. I hope this video helped you. A lot of these things you can do on your own, but if you need help, or if you need to sit down with me, I would be happy to sit down with you guys and go over anything I can do for you. I'm right here in Halton, Louisiana, so it's just me and a buddy of mine that do this, and so we specialize in SEO and optimizing and trying to get as many clients as we can to our clients' doors. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, give me a call. I hope you have a good day. Bye.